Let's start today's class. Today's class is the linked list. So in the previous video I explained the disadvantage of arrays, how we are overcoming with the linked list we will see. So first of all, how to declare a node. First of all, let's see this example. Struct, the name of the structure is node. Here the first member is int data, and the second member is struct node star next. Just observe this one. So what is this one? A structure. The structure name is a node. It contains two members. The first member name is a data. Its type is integer. The second member is next. It is a pointer variable. It is a pointer variable. What type of pointer variable it is? It is a struct. So now observe the node structure. Struct node. The first member is data. Its type is integer. The second member is next. It is a pointer variable. Its type is struct node. Now see this diagram. This is the diagram. The first field we are going to store data, and the second field we are going to store address of the next node. Address of the next node. This is my node structure. This is the node, simple node. So can I store more than one data in the linked list? Yes, absolutely. You can store more than one data also. You can store any number of data fields, but the last field is the address field. It is going to store the next node address. So then any memory is allocated for this one? No. Memory will not be allocated. This is just a declaration only. So memory will not be allocated up to now. Now see this example. Now how to allocate memory? First of all, now just it will act as a template. Suppose here I am going to define a pointer variable head. Initially head equal to null. So what will happen if I declare like this? What will happen? Immediately the compiler will allocate memory for pointer variable only. Memory for pointer variable. Here what is the pointer variable here? The pointer variable name is head. The pointer variable name is head only. What it contains actually initially? It contains null. It contains null. Only the memory will be allocated for pointer variable only. Suppose this dev C++ is going to allocate memory for pointer variable is 8 bytes. So that means only 8 bytes memory will be allocated to store address of the node. So what type of pointer it is? Struct node. It is going to point struct node type data only. Whatever the type of a pointer, whether it is an integer pointer, character pointer, float pointer, double pointer, long pointer, structure pointer, file pointer, the memory will be allocated for pointer variable is only this many bytes. This many bytes only it will allocate. Okay. So next, this is the node structure. In the next video, I am going to discuss create function in the linked list. So thank you very much.